What do you do when you have an Excel spreadsheet like this one with some duplicate rows? It's certainly cumbersome to remove them manually. Luckily, Excel has a built-in feature to do that for us. I'm going to start off here by just highlighting the table that I want to remove for duplicates. I'll click and drag over the cells to highlight all of them. Now, at the top of Excel, in this section that's called the ribbon, I'm going to find the Data tab and then click on it. Now, on the Data tab toward the right side, find the section that says Data Tools. I'm going to click on Remove Duplicates to launch the window that removes duplicates. For this simple example, I'm just going to leave all of these boxes checked. Once I press OK, Excel will notify that it's removed the duplicate rows from my table. Super simple. Now, let's move on to something a bit more complex by switching to the Duplicate Shifts tab here at the bottom of Excel. On this tab, I've got a list of employee shifts. I need to remove the duplicates because I accidentally downloaded my report twice. So let's go ahead and highlight all of the columns and then remove duplicates again. I'll go ahead and just click OK. Well, we hit an error here. See, Excel didn't remove any duplicates. Let's go back and look at our data. Now, it's true that we have a lot of duplicates in our tables, like in rows 2 and 3 look almost exactly the same, for example. It's the same employee and the same time in and time out. But I also have the Report Download Date column, column F, which is kind of useless. If I'm preparing my company's payroll, I don't really care when I downloaded the report, I just need the shifts. So the goal here is to remove the duplicate shifts, but ignore that last column. So let's try this again. I'm going to go ahead and highlight all of the columns, and then run Remove Duplicates again. Now, on this list of columns that pops up, I'm going to uncheck the Report Download Date column. Now, when I hit OK, it's going to go ahead and remove all of the duplicates, excluding checking on column F as a factor. Looks great. So basically what the window does is it asks you which columns it wants you to check for duplicates. Typically, we'll leave most or all of the boxes checked, but we can uncheck the Report Download Date box. This is telling Excel to not consider that column when checking for duplicates. One last tip, you can use Excel to remove blank rows as well with the Remove Duplicates feature. This process is almost exactly the same, and I'll jump over to the Remove Duplicates tab to demonstrate. Now, as you can see, I've got some gaps in my data, so I'm going to delete them with Remove Duplicates by highlighting the columns and then going up to Remove Duplicates, and then I'll just hit OK. You'll be left with just one blank row, which you can manually delete, of course. Remove Duplicates in Excel is a great tool for cleaning up a spreadsheet. Try to walk through the same examples in the workbook to practice your skills. I'm Andrew Childress for Envato Tuts Plus, and thanks so much for joining me to learn.